Recently, I've encountered this theory, the gas burner theory. Sinasabi dito sa theory na to that if you want to be really successful in your life, dapat you need to sacrifice either two areas of your life. It's either career muna and health, and then you sacrifice your friends and your family or relationship mo. Hindi pwede daw na apat. So imagine, kawawa ka pag ganyan. Because they were basing it on those individuals who are very, very successful and wealthy, like sila Mark Zuckerberg or sila Jeff Bezos. But upon reflecting on this, there's still one missing piece in that equation, the Lord. In the gas burner theory kasi, apat lang na areas ng buhay yung ini-emphasize nila. Career, health and fitness, family, tapos friends. So yun yung apat na areas that they were emphasizing in. And I was reflecting, where does the Lord come in? And what happens if you put the Lord first? What's amazing is that one thing that I learned and realized in my journey of personal transformation when I discovered the Lord was that if you put the Lord first in your life, everything will become second. Imagine, ang galing. Now, because what will happen if you align with the Lord is that the Lord will give you so much energy that you have all energies for all areas of your life. So, hindi mo kailangan na isa yung lamang tapos magsasuffer yung iba. You just have to put the Lord first in your life, and then the Lord will provide you with enough energy so that your career will flourish, your relationship with your family will flourish, you have more energy to help the community, and also more energy as well to also help you with your health and fitness. You just have to prioritize and manage your time. No, at the end of the day kasi sayang naman that you're doing great in one area of your life and then nagsasuffer yung ibang area of your life, right? So why not enjoy all areas of your life? This is what I've realized when I started building a personal relationship with the Lord. It was a journey, hindi naman parang overnight that I figured it out. There was a point before that sarili ko pa rin yung iniisip ko, but when everything fell into place, it started to make sense, and then I finally surrendered everything to the Lord. Alam mo yung nangyari, parang gumaan lahat. No, I had more peace of mind, I had more clarity, the Lord led me to my purpose, and what's happening is that I get to spend time with my family. So, ang saya. If you feel that you're putting career first in your life, I need you to step back a bit. Mag-isip-isip ka muna. Is that worth it? Paano naman yung all areas of your life? But consider why not putting the Lord first in your life so that all areas of your life become second. Not third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. But lahat at second place. Di ba mas okay siya? Mas masaya. At mas meaningful. So you just need to decide and make a choice.